Welcome back, broskies and sisters, to another reaction video, man. I remain your boy, the Mass Reactor, aka Niger Gangster on God. And if you're just seeing this channel for the first time, man, let me officially welcome you to the channel of violence on YouTube. On God, this is the only place on YouTube where we celebrate violence, but we do not partake, nor do we indulge in violence. We just view and watch violence because that's what this channel is about. You feel me? But hey, man, if you don't know what that means, ask the nearest Nigerian close to you what does violence mean. They will tell you if they are kind enough. But today, or rather, right now, is not about violence. Right now, we want to laugh. I want to laugh because I've been laughing the whole day since I woke up because I've done some reaction to like some stuff. Go check it out. Yeah. On yeah, today we or right now rather we're reacting to the best of Shank Comics. If you don't know, if you're Nigerian and you don't know who Shank is, then you must be living under the rock. On God. Yeah, Shank Comics is one of the most popular, if not one of the best, if not the best content creators right now out of Nigeria, man. So yeah, yeah, man. Oh, by the way, if you want to see more videos like this, and if this is not your first time watching my videos, man, I indulge you to please subscribe and hit the notification icon somewhere around here anywhere. And yeah, man, to see any new videos and whatever. I don't know, I'm tired today. I've been doing, I woke up what, 7 o'clock today, or not 6 o'clock today, and I've just been here doing reaction videos and shit. I'm tired as fuck. I'm hungry. I haven't had breakfast yet. But anyways, man, give me a sub. I'm trying to get to like 1,000 subs before the end of the year. We are what, in October right now? Yeah. So yeah, man. Let's see. Let's see if I can. Let's see if I can do that. Or like as you will say in German, lassen wir mal gucken, ob ich das schaffen würde. Alles klar. So without wasting most of our time, man, let's get straight into the video, man. I speak German.
Belgium. Hey bro, what's up? Play me the game, bro. 1K. Bro, what?
Bro, money don't go.
What you mean, bro?
I see your game don't spoil, money don't go.
Okay, play me another game, bro. Asa, 1K.
Bro, your money don't go again.
What you mean, bro? I just played this game, bro. What you mean?
Your money don't go, bro.
The next game is about 4, right? I'll be back, bro.
Yo, lit gang. Yeah, danger. Let's go. Them lead, baby.
Hey, bro, I'm back. Play me the game, bro. 1K.
Bro, this is no girl. You just don't waste this money, Sha. I said, play me the game, bro. I said, play me the game, bro.
This man. He shot you.
Shaki, I beg you, don't do one.
You gonna do one for you?
Shaki, I beg you, don't do one. Bro, your money don't come.
You are bad guy.
Hey, bro, what's up? Play me another game, bro.
Damn, this nigga crazy.
For the guys that are playing bets, be careful, man, before your money go. Wait, bro, see how crazy this shit is, right? The very first time, the very first time I played betting, right? The very first time I played betting, I won. Right? I played about 10 games and I won. And I was like, all right, cool, cool. I went again. I played like 50 euros, bro. €50, and I said Real Madrid and Barcelona. I only played 2 games. This was like 2000 and probably 18 or 19. I said Barcelona and Real Madrid, right? I played €50, bro, for just 2 teams, bro, and we were playing against small team at home. Real Madrid lose, Barcelona draw. €50. Since then I didn't play again, bro. That shit is crazy, man.
Like that shit, my brother.
Shanks, hope you're ready for this. Bro, stop that shit, bro. 6 years in the United States, all I was selling was weed, bro. Weed, that's all I do. All I do is sell weed, bro. Let's go get that shit, bro. Bro, this guy a confirmed drug lord. Just sell it, bro, give him percentage, I'm good to go. Bro, I understand the business, bro. Let's go get that shit done, bro. But then, the booty eye you. Now I go see a percentage. Oh, wow. What the fuck, bro? Said! Mommy. What's up with Said, bro? Bro, Said don't hide. Oh, you don't hide. You get it? Bro, I just said this guy go bad. No hurry, go hide. Don't worry. This is Said. Said, Said. Bro, are you going? I'm not going. I'm going to do that.
Bro is on cloud 13. Not even on cloud 9. Bro is on cloud 13, bro. Oh, God, bro.
I will tell you, mommy, for you.
We gon' leave
Strong person.
Now the shank guy be this.
That's me, bro. All I do is weed. Weed, that's all I do. Bro, that's all I do. Weed, bro.
Oh yeah now, no to talk. Now the market be this.
Okay, bro.
You know as the business be. Now 80-20 oh.
Bro, all these weed, bro.
If you not say you not ready, you go drop and make I give another person.
No, bro. I'm chill with this league gang shit. See you later, bro. Bye.
Calm down, bro. You know go taste the market where you want go sell.
Yo, bro, I don't have to do that shit, bro. See, I'm a standard weed seller. That's all I do. Weed, I can send you my CV, bro. See, that's all I do, bro.
You didn't whine me. Ja.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Damn.
Bro, I don't have to do this shit, bro.
Shank. Angel, come. Angel, là. No dey shower like that, Joe. Shank won't smoke it, go.
Who will want to?
You are bad guy.
Not be juju be that. The work is done.
Shank don't smoke it, go. He goes too high.
Dang. Say I know mommy did you for me, bro.
Who carry my spoon? I want to chop food now. Angel, come back. I know say now you carry my spoon. Angel, no be me. No be you carry. This one don't hide. Hi. You don't hide.
I swear I never hide.
You be mumu. See, Angel, come back. Bring my spoon. Come. I want chop. What did they do you now? Problem go happen for this cell phone, no. Jesus! Hey! This one don't chop Angel food.
I beg no mess, Nadigbo.
Shut up. For the past 4 days now, I never chop. You make grace. No worry. Angel, come back. Control this bastard inside hell. I cannot finish, yo. I beg try inside like that, Joe. Jesus!
Angel, Allah, mark by me now.
Yo. Hey. Let's see, man. If you know the kind of hunger you get after smoking weed, bro. We don't even call it hunger. We call it the munchings, bro. If you partake in the communion, you're gonna know. Like, you get like crazy hunger. That's mad. You start, bro. You at that point you could even eat the whole human being, bro. That's crazy. You don't even care what you eat. You just miss different types of shit together, bro. Just to quench that hunger. Because that hunger, in German they call it Heißhunger. On God, bro. The munchings. If you've ever had the munchings, you're gonna know what I'm talking about, bro. Weed, nah, man, that shit is crazy. But it's dope though. It's dope on God, but it's if you want to lose weight, don't smoke weed because you just keep eating shit and more shit, and then you just get me fatter and fatter.
I swear you guys are crazy.
Guys. My baby Sabi cook die. See what she cook for Christmas? Fried rice, stir fried, pounded yeah.
Shank, what
your babe cook for Christmas?
Stop that shit, bro. My babe can't cook, but I love her still. But you, my babe got booty, your babe got bones. Damn, danger. Yo, babe, what's up?
Hey babe, I want to get groceries.
Oh.
Hi guys.
Think about me. We cook. We gonna die, bro. Hey! I swear to God, we gonna die, bro. Sorry, yo. Yo, chill. Yo, babe, what's up? Don't tell me you're cooking, boo.
Yes, babe.
Don't God. Shank. Later.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
Babe, why? Why they gonna do me like this? Yeah. Jiggy, you know they be childhood friends, Jiggy. Mommy, did you do something? Damn. I'm going down, bro.
The food is here.
Oh, baby, you're so cute. The food looks nice.
Of course, I made it.
Oh, my personal chef.
Okay, enjoy.
Think say they white.
Baby.
I changed my mind.
Oh,
I want to watch it.
what's me show? Oh, baby, you crazy. Jollof rice is them. Like,
Jollof rice.
oh, you want to have me?
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's probably work stress.
Oh.
It's good.
Okay, just eat the meat now so you can relax.
Make I shop the meat.
Yeah, just eat the meat so you can relax.
But I don't want to shop meat now.
Okay, just eat
This
it.
man. Not be juju be that.
Make all of that they come. This guy an idiot.
And they never leave. They have left you.
You are bad guy.
May God not allow them make them see you.
Run.
Are you what? Are you okay? Are you good?
Yeah.
Good?
I didn't know you could get wicked erection from eating that kind of meat. I don't even know what kind of meat that is, bro. But that shit is crazy, bro. This guy is too funny, bro. If I don't laugh to anyone's content, bro, Shank will always make me laugh every time, bro. I don't think I've ever seen a Shank content where I didn't laugh. It's impossible. It's just impossible.
What happened to him?
I don't know. He just passed out. I think he's stressed from work.
Stress from work or food poisoning?
Hey! Oh shit!
Damn! We'll just administer some drugs to him and we hope he gets better.
Bro, give him some laxans. He has to go and shit everything out. Give him like a good amount of laxans, bro. And bro will spend the next 24 hours in the toilet. He will evacuate everything he has eaten, bro, and he will be okay. Oh, trust me, bro. On God, bro.
But he needs to eat before taking the drugs.
Oh, thank God I just made beans.
Baby, me make mommy now.
Bitch, give me lit. Bitch, give me lit. Bitch, give me lit. Bitch, give me. Bitch, give me. Bitch, give me lit.
Yo, tell me about your rich dad, boo.
You mean me?
Yeah, yeah, boo.
My dad is not rich, oh.
Eh?
Baba Billy. Baba Billy is not rich, oh. He's not rich at all.
Like a papa don't get money.
Yes, I just need that to get your attention, like, you know, fine boy.
My attention.
Yes.
Are you fine?
Fine, boo.
Why are you shaking your head?
No, that's what I do at dinners. I shake my head, leg and shit.
Wow, that's nice.
You are not nice.
Thank you.
Yo, boo, what's up? How about I show you some magic?
Of course.
Just focus on the card, boo. Take it back, boo.
Wow, it's gone.
I told you, boo. Leg and shit.
Oh shit! Not too much.
Yo, boo, what's up? Would you like to see another magic trick?
Okay.
Focus on the card.
So wait, the first magic, her bag disappeared, her purse disappeared, or whatever. She didn't care that the bag came back, or what? She just forgot about her bag. Her bag went somewhere she didn't care, and now she wants to see another magic. Now your food could disappear this time. Oh God, watch this shit, bro. Man, I can't. I have to post this video a lot because my son is just running around here, man. I don't know what. Funny facts, actually. Funny facts. I used to when I first started doing reaction videos, it was me and my son. He was like what? He was about 9-10 months old. We started doing this together. I don't know if the videos are still here. I think I might have removed the video or something. But we started this thing together actually, and yeah, at some point I just felt like, you know what, nah, let me just do it alone. I might bring him back at some point. I'll bring you back. He's what, 3-year-old now. So, but anyways, yeah, at some point I might reintroduce my son to the whole thing. But for now, let me just do my thing. And he's just running around bugging and shit. All right, man, let's go with the video.
Look at food, boo. I told you, leg and shit, boo.
Mr. Shanks, your bill, sir.
Oh, my bill. How much is the bill, bro?
8,000 naira, sir.
Chief won't let me happy people who don't call him before.
No, your food, sir.
Hey, wow. I got you, bro. Just drop that shit. Leg and shit. Okay. Coming like a mini, bro. Hey, boo, would you like to see another magic trick?
Okay.
Focus on the card, boo.
Not be juju be that.
Is this the magic?
Oh, no, boo. This is just part one. Just chill with me. You ready?
Yes.
Focus on the rubber.
Jesus! Ha!
Pew.
Ha!
He said, ah. This guy is crazy, bro.
But boy, that. Ah, Shank! Olórí burúkú, na God go punish you.
Waris! Wow!
Oh shit!
Mommy! Waris! Dang!
Cash transfer.
You think say you wise?
She don't go. But my own no work.
I beg cash transfer.
Dang! This nigga's crazy.
Cause I don't wanna be with you. Having fun time with these girls, but I just
Dang, she's pretty.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, baby.
I'm here to see the doctor.
Oh, that's me, baby. Lead gang shit.
So I want to see him for a correction.
That's what I do. What can I do for you?
So I did this.
Jesus! Mom! You go do that, Shanti? When you do this house, boo? Now you go do that. You go do one hour, you go there, they say, you go do that. I mean, nobody can correct this thing. Get the fuck out. Hey, bike! Don't correct this guy, correct this bike.
Doctor! My wife!
Hey, bro, chill. You the dad, right? So now you the...
Thank you so much, Shanks.
I got you, dog.
By the way, what are you doing with my lab coat?
Oh, league and shit, baby.
Anyways.
I'm sorry, man. Just take care. The dog is here.
No, Titi. My equipment.
Please just give me 1 minute.
May God not allow them, may them kill you.
Please, anything you do, keep pushing, alright? Just keep pushing.
We got you, dog. We got you.
Hello, Nostity, are you okay? Where are my equipment now?
Hey!
I have an emergency right now that I'm supposed to attend to now. Shanks!
Keep pushing. Keep pushing, and bro kept pushing. That's mad, bro.
Shanks, what's your problem now?
I did what you asked me. You said keep pushing, and that's what I did, bro.
Hey! I think I said that Mr. Make I push. You can't push me. Yeah,
Now will you move this thing back, John? Move it back,
Damn. Hey, Doc, what's up?
She's dead, Shanks. She's dead.
I did what you asked me. You said push, and Mommy, she don't die.
Hey, Doc, chill. How about the kid, bro? Chill, I got you, Doc.
What's the problem?
I said this pikin slap me for face.
I didn't see nothing.
She mean I mean a slap, I mean.
Shanks, be serious.
This pikin I caught his doctor. Wait, make I show you.
Jesus! He touched me again. Damn. This kid is crazy.
Yo, Shank is crazy, bro. That's mad. Oh wait, there's more. Oh, there's more. I thought that was the last one.
I saw you the crazy.
You know the mad guy. Shank, Alpha, that's your US babe. She still dey come today.
Of course now, Ligan she baby.
She di Shalewa.
Shale Loni, or there. Benita.
Ah, baby. How you doing? Welcome home.
Hey yo, chill for a second, bruh. Oh, yo. Okay.
Babe, this one you're with your gym outfit and stuff. As in, you dey jog for plane. I don't understand.
Oh no, 5 years in the States. I've been going to the gym, so it's like my therapy.
Gym is your therapy.
Yes,
So cute.
I hope you don't mind.
Hey, mind care.
Babe, it's been 5 years. Are you not going to hug me?
Ordinary hug.
Yeah! Mommy. If you work out, how many kg you always carry?
Oh, that dumbbell like 150 kg.
150 kg. Not even what?
Yes.
No, hug me again.
Okay.
I mean, if not you, go there, okay?
Let me help you.
Another
Baby.
Hi, boo.
See how your head is fine.
Baby, you like pillow fight?
I think it's romantic now. Just do it.
Baby, let's rock and roll.
See your head.
Baby!
Juju be that. This man.
Wait for Baby! Baby, wake up! Baby, are you okay?
Am I okay? I'm okay.
Babe, I'm so sorry.
You said I'm sorry. It's all fine. I want to make a call, eh?
Baby!
Yo, Lee game, please pull up. Nigga going down, bro.
Sorry, yo.
Somebody save me.
Come on, left for that table job. Come on, left. When she comes out, just tell her we have a business meeting, okay?
Hey, baby. Me and my friend, we have one impromptu business meeting. Want to go out?
Oh, okay, I'm coming.
Yes, want to go out now.
May God not allow them, may them kill you.
Hi, guys. You don't need anything, right?
No.
Oh, okay. It was nice having you around. Nice having you around. And nice having you.
I know they shake.
Jesus! How about a hug?
Hey! Nigga going down, bro.
Begging around. I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me.
Baby, please calm down. Baby, I'm sorry for everything.
You didn't do anything. I swear to God, you didn't do anything. Everything is fine, bro. It's okay.
Baby, let me make it up to you.
Baby, you don't have to beg me. Everything's fine, bro. I swear to God.
Sure, baby, how about I give you?
Some space.
No, honey. How about I give you head?
Yeah!
Oh shit, not good.
Benita, mommy now.
If you want to work in a 9 to 5 for the rest of your life, then skip this ad. You need to.
I'm gonna skip the shit out of this ad, bro, because I don't want to work 9 to 5 my entire life. That is why I'm doing YouTube on God, bro. So I'm gonna skip this shit anyway.
Earn at least 10K a month.
Here we go. Bye. What the fuck, bro? Bye. Hey, man. Oh, there's part 2. Okay, yeah, yeah. You know what? I'm gonna go get me something to eat. I'm gonna do a breakfast and then I'll come back and I'll do more videos. You feel me? But for now, bro, I want to thank you guys for checking out this video with me. If you made it far to this point, thank you. Please leave a like, comment, share, and above all, bro, subscribe to my channel, man, and click. Even if you don't click on the notification bell for now, just subscribe, broski. You feel me? I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. That's my goal. You feel me? Because if I get to like 1,000 subscribers to a year, then I would have to worry about skipping that ad or doing a 9 to 5 again. Anyways, I mean, I need to do this for like do this for like 2 years straight before I can even think about not doing a 9 to 5. For now, I'm gonna still do my regular 9 to 5 and do this as fun for now, as a hobby, because I love doing this shit on God. But hey, now thank you for really for checking out this video with me, man. I hope to see you on the next video. And what does Shank say? League gang shit. But we have on God.